Ang 36 minutes ishaye ndlula ke insimbi ya 12 emsakatweni Voice of Hope FM. We are rolling with Lucky Gamete. Athi uyabanaka bakhe ukhona uNkulunkulu. What a beautiful sounds. It sits well with today's theme njengoba sisho sithi #bila uphole. Uyabona sisho njalo sithi ukhona uNkulunkulu uyabanaka bakhe. And guess what? Khona la etindlini tekusakata angikho ngedwa ke ukhona mfundisi Lucky Gamete right in front of me. Mfundisi angibingelele ngokwamukele emsakatweni.
Kunjalo sesikhona sibingelele kuwe msakati nabalaleli bakho bonke Voice of Hope. It's been long but you bless the Lord sesikhona sizothula umsebenzi omusha kaLucky Gamete. Sizothi nje uyabanaka bangabakho uzakunaka nawe. Siyabingelela kakhulu emakhaya nakuzo zonke indawo ufika kumsakazo. Sibonga ithuba, sibonga abaphathi bestage ithuba basiphalona.
Amen and amen.
Amen.
Akukho lokunye lesihloko sithi nje ukhona.
Ukhona noma bengakushiya bekufake emgedeni bethi kuphelile ukhona ukulanda khona abuye nawe.
Okusele bathi okusalayo.
Okusalayo.
Ukhona lalela ngiyacabanga ukuthi umlaleli uyamati phela mfundisi Lucky Gamete bekaloku vele atikhipha tisibusisa mfundisi wami naku lo muhla utfolakala uthi uyabanaka bakhe. What inspired the song?
You know ade ngikhuluma ekuseni komunye umsakazo ngithi mina uma umuntu hurt, uma umuntu ekwatile, uma umuntu disappointed, uma umuntu there is only one thing ngabantu. So akusisilwane, akusinkomo, akusimbuzi, abantu. Wonke okhalayo manje ukhaliswa ngabantu. Uma umbuzi uzothi bangenze nje. So ke yikho ke sithi noma abantu bengajika neyihlobo ziguquke nalabo bethembile ke manje uthi cha ubani ke ngeke ekutshelile wathi ngiyofa la ufa khona ufe wedwa asale ephila engasafa. Kwesinye isikhathi awukafi nokufa kodwa akasekho wayethe uyofa la ufa khona. So ke sisithi kodwa ke phezulu kwakho konke sewulahliwe sewuhetiwe yabona sekuphelile walahlekelwa ithemba awusaliboni nethemba lokuthi kusengashadeka bakudivorceile bakulahla kodwa phezulu kwakho konke lokho sithi ukhona uNkulunkulu. Lethi iBhayibheli ubusisiwe umuntu mawulalela le verse lesibili kule ngoba lithi blessed is a man who trusts in the Most High God. Is like Mount Zion, he will never be shaken. So izofika ikhathi zizokushaka zizokunyakazisa kodwa manje mawubhekisa amehlo kuNkulunkulu yokubamba sebekiyekelile uyabona kungasekho nofuna ukuyidentify nawe njengomfazi womopho elithi iBhayibheli ayise ope for 12 years esezame konke. You can imagine igazi selinuke ukuthi akekho umuntu ongazosondela eduze kwakho, but it's only God onganukelwa iphunga lakho. So yikho sithi ke ukhona uNkulunkulu ama numbers athi for God is not a man that he should lie. No, the son of man that he should change his way. Only a human being that can lie to you. Only a human being that can wake up in the morning athi bengidlala. uNkulunkulu akadlali. Uyabanaka bangabakho ungasena bazali kodwa ubonula ludlile nje ungazi kanjani. God will take care of you. Sisho njalo sithi ukhona uNkulunkulu.
Mfundilalela a whole sermon.
Yeah.
Ayive kahle lengoma sithi uyabanaka bakhe.
Uyabanaka bakhe Nkosi yami.
Rest in peace. You took
Ay, sukanin madoda.
Kunjalo.
Ay, sukanin na. Uyabanaka bakhe.
Uyabona ophetho kuthiwa basebegeza amanene.
So.
Sebethi ayikho bengabambaka lutho beshikashika ubusuku bonke.
Giving up.
Wafika uNkulunkulu wathi buyisela namanethe niwafanga ngathi ekujuleni. Kuthiwa babamba inhlanzi kwaphose kwadabuka wona amanethe ngoba ukhona uNkulunkulu.
Uyabanaka.
Uyasithwala noma sikhathale endleleni uyasithwala yabona ulale uthi vele kazi kuyosa kunjani mawuvuke ekseni uvukele ithembelisha kungena ikhole esikhaleni ethi izinto sezi right ngoba ukhona.
It's such strong sekela kasivuselelako kakhulu emoyeni mfundisi wami la sikhumbutako ukuthi na noma Timothy sinyakatisa kepha uNkulunkulu ukhona uyabathwala bakhe mfundisi wami ngiyacabanga njengoba ushilo ukuthi it's been about a month iphumile naye ingoma bufakazi sebukhona yilo receive ukuthi hayi mfundisi
kulalisha kahle
hayi mfundisi
no Nkosi yami bayasizakala abalaleli because calling yethu ayifani i-message yethu ayifani i-message lelinye artist will never be like my message ifaya uNkulunkulu ungibizele ukurestore abantu abalahlekelwe ithemba abantu asebecabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akekho asebecabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu akabanakile from album 1 sasithi uyayazi indlela yakho so sabuya sazothi uyacabanga ngawo sabuya sazothi uyangcina endleleni sabuya sazothi ukhanyisa indlela sabuya sazothi iqinane enkosini sesithi ke manje uyabanaka abangabakhe so message yami
speaking of the album so uqhamuka nawo wabala is this one part of an album or mhlambe EP or single?
It's an EP album. It's an EP album. Yes.
Yeah, and this song is just one of them.
And this one is one of them. One of those that will take you there. Sikhuluma lo muntu lapha osewabekile amaphilisi sithi cha ke wabeke phansi ukhona uNkulunkulu. Sikhuluma nomuntu osephethe intambo osethi ngcono ngiyihenge cha ke ukhona uNkulunkulu. Sikhuluma nomuntu lapha bakwethu indoda ivele yaphuma ekseni yangabuye ekhaya kuxatshenwe awuyazi ukuthi kuphi sibeka umoya phansi ukhona uNkulunkulu uyabanaka abangabakhe noma ngaba ubhekana nani nasiphi isimo manje. Turn your face to God. Sinikeza ithulusi elinamandla which is prayer. Last cause ukuthi sikhulume khona noNkulunkulu and uNkulunkulu asizo mawuthulula inhliziyo yakhe ngempela ukhala kuye. So ke
wadingani mfundisi kanti ukuthi namhlanje besilapho sikulomoya.
Moya wamaprofeti.
Moya thobelana iyalalelana.
Yeah, because siyagowisha each and every day. We need God to keep us going, you know, before we collapse, before we finish. So it's only God who can restore us. You will learn ukuthi abantu abanandaba nawe as long kukhona into abayithola kwabazoba nendaba mabengasa benefit lutho bengasasizakala. That's why you learn ukuthi abantu abanandaba and you will get it. Uyabona kanti beyond the pupil there is God. That is why even coming to church you don't come ngenxa yabangani, you come to serve God because bazohamba but uNkulunkulu you will find him ekhona.
Ngiyabona mfundisi umathi moya wabaprofeti vele. I was going to ask you ukuthi mhlambe ngiphi imessage lo ngathanza ukuthi balaleli mabalalele ngoma kepha ke ngoba unamoya sevele uvele wangela
kunjalo.
Ngiyatshela mfundisi wami what a beautiful sound. I mean like 10 over 10 minus nothing. Sibonga kakhulu mfundisi wami kanti ngiyatshela balaleli ukuthi mhlambe bayistream aphi le ngoma itholakala phela ke akufuneki ukuthi bagcine ngeyiva Voice of Hope FM.
Hayi bengangena ngithi manje sesawafeza out ama CD. Yabona sekwabalula awungeke uvele ugibela itaxi uthi ngisaya what was the shop ayila. No, you just go into your phone ungene internet, the song is there kuna these digital shops, Spotify, Google Play, the song is there and many other songs ezihamba nale EP uhamba nami we worship you, they are there. Bangakwazi ukuthi basidownloadela abalaleli babusiseke khona lapho.
There you have it mlaleli ke uma ufuna ukubusiseka ngoba thina siyokubusisa kanye sithi emvakalo kuba uthi le ngoma so kuze ke ungabi nenkinga ngena ke lapha ke ku internet njengoba umfundisi asho uthi Lucky Gamete khululeka wena bese nje uyayithola ukuthi uyabanaka abangabakhe.
Nkosi yami uzokunaka nawe uzokunaka bayeka bangasakunake basakakulayo uyabona bangasaphenduli nama WhatsApp akho besho kade bayibonanga kanti bayibonile ungabanaka ukhona ozokunaka ikhombe ezulwini.
Khona ngomfundisi social media platforms khona la utfolakala khona.
Ngikuzo zonke izinto bakithi uyabona bakuthiwa muruti oseyintweni. Facebook, you go to Apostle El Gamete or Ruti Lucky Gamete nama account awu2 ayasebenza wamabili. Ngikhona ku Twitter is Lucky Gamete, Instagram is Lucky Gamete, TikTok is Lucky Gamete. Ngikhona there. Then ke mawufuna ke mhlawumbe ufuna ukubooka or ufuna or whatever, your WhatsApp number yami is 072-535-2802. So ke ilang ngitholakala khona nje ke.
That same number for bookings.
072-535-2802. That's my WhatsApp number. You said you want us to come and preach in your church or ngitholakala kuleyo number le.
Utivele ke mlaleli ukhona uNkulunkulu yabanaka yabangabakhe ungambuka ke mfundisi uyatholakala kanti ke ukuthi ufika ahlabelele uzashumayela.
Thina asinaye enye into abantu banezinto abayakuzo sibanani. So uthina we only have God.
We only have
So ke
God.
sithi wena othemba lakho likuJehova
Yes.
uyabanasa.
Sure, while others
Abangabani.
trust in horses, while others trust in
Kunjalo.
chariots, thina ke sithemba uNkulunkulu. Umfundisi wami asivalelise balaleli emakhaya.
Ngibonge kakhulu msakazi, ngibonge kakhulu abaphathi besiteshi, ngibonge nje Voice of Hope that has always supported us.
Yes.
Each time sikhipha music wethu, iVoice of Hope is there ukwamukela.
Yeah.
So siya appreciate kakhulu kumphathi uLunga
Yes.
ukusivulela amathuba afana nalelo. Ma talenta ethu awafani. Thina siyacula, yena uyasiza ukuthi basize ukuthi
Yes,
sicula thi.
true.
So we thank you
Yeah.
very much, Baba. Welcome. We thank you very much. Nkulunkulu aqhubeke anibusise aniphakamise njengesteshi,
Yeah.
inkinga zishabalale zonke,
Amen.
avele uNkulunkulu.
Amen. Yes, kakhulu Mfundisi. Ladies and gentlemen, we are officially signing out. I was rolling with Mfundisi Lucky Gamete. Siyaphuma njalo, same song uyabanaka.
My God.
abangabakhe.
Akube njalo.
Stay blessed.
Thank you.